Go. And then up. And then down. Okay? So right now we start go. This, okay? So we will do set up today, okay? We like straight. Okay? So arm open. And then we do a 10 times. Ready? 1. You don't need all the way up. 2. 1. Good. Third one. You don't need all the way up. Okay? Go. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. And 9. Good. And 10. Beautiful. Relax. Okay? Second one, also 10. But this time your leg have to be up and here. Ready, everybody? Arms stay. Okay, go. Up 1. Arms stay. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay, relax. Oh, yo. Okay, next one, I cannot do it. My lower back still bothering me. Okay, last one. Leg up, 90 degrees. Arm up. You will do 10 times. Touch and down. 10 times by yourself. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch and down. Touch and down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. Almost 10, down. Thank you. Okay. Okay, relax right now. Give you a break. Give you a break. Okay, relax. Okay. Okay, we stand up. We work on the splits, okay? Stand up. Okay, step forward. We start work on the splits, okay? Okay, we do this, okay? Stay here, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We relax first. On 1, push down hip. Okay, up 2. And again, 3, up 4. 5, up 6. 7, you hold on 8. Okay, back leg, go back even more. Right now, go stretching as much as you can. All the way down. Stay there. Okay, good. Good. Right now, your knee on the floor, kneel down. Okay? Right now, push your hip more. Down more. Stay there. For a moment. Don't move. Stay. Very good. Okay, stay there. Don't move. Okay? Right now, heel up. Heel up. High rate away. And push down. Stay there. Up body forward. Stay. Go push down hip more. Yes. And then up. Good. Right now, sit. Okay. And then we hold front leg. Feel flex foot. Flex foot. And hold. Okay. Hold tight. All the way down. Go down. I count 10. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful girls. Right now, go change leg. Okay? Back leg straight. Yes. And then hold your leg. Good. And then push it down. Okay? Push it closer to your hip. Stay there. Count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Release. Good. Right now, go back. Continue. Okay? Also 10. Go lean back as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Okay? Right now we'll do a real deal. 2 minutes today. Okay? Keep your knees straight. Split. Okay? You gotta stay here for 2 minutes. Ready? And listen to the music. Enjoy music. 2 minutes. Be strong. At the same time, you can work on your foot if you want. Okay, look at my foot. I use my hand and push it down. Up and down. Yeah, your both hand is busy right now, right? Okay, just forget. Okay. Stay. Don't move. 35 seconds. 2 minutes, okay? Let it go. Very good. Let it go, okay? Ballet end is always tough, but don't give up. Seconds left. Almost. Very good, Vanessa, okay? Almost done. Everybody look good, okay? You all go down. But don't give up. Up. Okay, Heidi, get up. Okay. Almost. 5 seconds. And finish now. Thank you. Okay. If you're too hard, okay, you just give up. I have nothing to say. Okay. If you're not that hurt, okay, not injure you, you spoil yourself and then give up. I'm not accept it. Okay. I don't want you to get injured. Okay. So safety is number one. But I know by the end is tough. Let's do our side. 2 minutes. Okay, Vanessa is very good, almost 180. Okay, Peggy is also good. You go down a little, and then Heidi same thing. Okay, see by the time longer and longer, I can feel you go down a little. That's how you do it. Okay, otherwise it's just 1 minute. It's not work. You gotta stay longer, stretch it. Okay, from our side, ready? Our side, change leg. Okay, if you all hurt very much, you can relax, okay? Otherwise, try hard. 2 minutes.